My Delonghi model PAC AN125HPEKC, it will not blow cold. The exhaust is not blocked. The filter is clean. I called several AC repair services today and could not find one that works on these units. What should I do?
Hello and thanks for using this service. If you have been waiting, do not worry or get upset. I am Appliance Guru, an extremely experienced tech on the site, and I try to get to as many customers as I can. I just picked up your question now. Note it takes time for me to type research and add links, so please wait for me to respond back. I can only do this so fast. Answer: no one works on these units as they are considered throwaway units and parts are hard to come by. You can try to unplug the unit and hold the power button down while plugging it in. That should reset it. If it still does not work, you honestly should start looking for a new one, as these are hard to take apart, and even if you can find the issue, you will likely not be able to find the part. Sorry for the news. All I ask is please use the star rating link at the top of your page before leaving. That is the only way I am paid anything through the site, and that will also get you a direct link emailed to you to get back to me! Tips are greatly appreciated, so thank you very much for using this service. If you have any other questions, just post back to me here anytime.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.